So let's begin. Namaste and good evening, all. Welcome to the sixth day of October Yoga Challenge. So normally we start with three humming sounds by making a humming sound. So I hope everybody knows how to make a humming sound. So close your eyes. Take a normal breath in. Breathe out. Breathe in for making a humming sound. Relax. Feel the humming vibration in your whole body. Now slowly and gently open your eyes. So let's begin with the energizing pranayam, which is called as Bhastrika. For Bhastrika, what we do is we sit on our knee and your heels like this. This is called as Vajrasana. So sit in Vajrasana because when we sit like this, naturally our spine is erect. Okay. And how we do this pranayam is we make a loose fist, very loose fist in front of the shoulder. And breathing in, what we do is we'll take a deep breath in and open our palms. When we take our arms up, we just open all our fingers and then breathing out forcefully like this, come down. So that's how we do. Like this we will do. So what we will do is we will do 20 breaths for 3 rounds. And after 20 breaths, we take a pause. We wait for some time and then again start for second 20 and the third 20. So let's begin. Palms in front of your shoulder, loose fist in front of your shoulders. Take a normal breath in. Breathe out. With a smile on your face, take a deep breath in. Breathe out completely. Together, enthusiastic breath in. 1, in. 2, in. 3, in. 4, in. 5, in. 6, in. 7, in. 8, in. 9, in. 10, in. 11, in. 12, in. 13, in. 14, in. 15, in. 16, in. 17, in. 18, in. 19, in. 20. Relax. Place the palms on your thighs facing the sky. If you are feeling difficult to sit on your knees and your heel, you may sit in cross leg, but make sure your back is straight. Let's get ready for second round of Bhastrika. Once again, loose fist in front of your shoulder. Take a normal breath in. Breathe out. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out completely. Together, enthusiastic breath in. 1, in. 2, in. 3, in. 4, in. 5, in. 6, in. 7, in. 8, in. 9, in. 10, in. 11, in. 12, in 13, in 14, in 15, in 16, in 17, in 18, in 19, in 20. Relax. Place the palms on your thighs facing the sky. Feel the sensation inside the body with a smile on your face. Those who are keeping their eyes open, and now if you know that how to do it, you may close your eyes. Keep your eyes closed throughout. Let's get ready for the third round. Loose fist in front of your shoulder. Take a normal breath in. Breathe out. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out completely. Together, enthusiastic breath in. One, in. Two, in. Three, in. Four, in. Five, in. Six, in. Seven, in. Eight, in. Nine, in. 10, in. 11, in. 12, in. 13, in. 14, in. 15, in. 16, in. 17, in. 18, in. 19, in. 20. Relax. Now slowly switch over to normal cross leg position. Sit in cross leg. You may massage your ankle and ear. Relax. Now let's rock our body like a pendulum, left and right. Left and right. Now slowly take your left arm up. Stretch your now right arm up. Left arm. Stretch your left arm and stretch your right arm. Slowly come back to the center. Relax. Let's all stand up. We will do some loosening exercise by standing up. Let's do a neck rotation. Breathing in, take your head up. Breathing out, chin to the chest. Once again, breathing in, take your head up. Breathing out, chin to the chest. This time, breathing in from your right hand back. Breathing out, left hand front. Make a nice circle. And keep a smile on your face. Attention on your neck region. Awareness on the breath. Once you complete this round, reverse the direction. Breathing in left hand back and breathing out right hand front. Once you complete this round, relax, slowly come back to the center. Now let's do shoulder rotation. Take your palms on your shoulder. Join your elbows together in front of the chest. Breathing in, take your arms up. Breathing out, take it back and down. Make a nice circle with your shoulder. Open up your shoulder. Reverse the direction. Breathing in, back and up. Breathing out, front and down. And relax. Let's go to the waist. Spread your leg comfortably apart. Push your hips to the left. Push, push, push it, push it. And to the right. Nice push to the right. Once again, left and to the right. Now let's make a circle with our waist in clockwise direction. Make a nice circle. Loosen up your waist region. Reverse the direction. Relax. Let's move forward. Let's go down to the knees. For the knees, bend your leg. Bring your thighs parallel to the ground and straighten your leg by breathing out. Relax. Let's do it with the other leg. Bend your left leg. Relax. Now let's rotate our ankle. Stretch your right leg and rotate our ankle in clockwise, anti-clockwise, and relax. Let's do it with the other leg. Anti-clockwise and clockwise. Very good. Okay. Now it's a time for the warm-up. Warm-up like a monkey. I think kids remember the monkey, gorilla and the monkey. So let's become a gorilla first. Bend down, and take your arms on both the sides and walk like a gorilla. Come on, start walking. Walk like a gorilla. And kids can make a sound like a gorilla and do like this, like a gorilla. Keep walking and keep smiling. Walk in your room. Yes, enjoy. Come back. Keep walking. And relax. Take few breaths here. Catch up few breaths. And get ready for the next warm-up like a monkey. So what we do is monkey is holding a branch like this. Be like a monkey first. Look to the left and jump to the right. Look to the right and jump to the left. Right and left. Look to the left and jump to the right. Come on. Keep jumping. And relax. Take few breaths here. You may breathe in from your nose and breathe out through the mouth for quick relaxation. Like this. Now let's continue with the asanas. So follow the 3 key rules. Breathing in, take your arms up. Interlace the finger, palms facing the sky, and slowly come up on your toes. Stretch your spine up. Give a nice stretch to the spine. Look at a single point in front of you, you'll be able to hold. And breathing out, relax, slowly come down. Once again, take your arms up. This time interlace the finger, index finger pointing to the ceiling, and breathing out, bend to the right side. Feel the stretch on the left side of the body. Follow the 3 key rules, relaxing the posture, awareness on the breath, and attention on the stretched body part. Breathing in, come back to the center, and breathing out to the left. Continue breathing, do not hold the breath. Breathing in, slowly come back to the center, and breathing out, relax. So let's move on to the next posture. So today is the 6th day of our yoga. We will improve our level a little bit. So let's do Virabhadrasana. Turn your right foot 90 degrees. the outward, and left foot 10 to 15 degrees inward. Breathing in, take your arms up, and breathing out, bend your right foot 90 degrees. Your knee is exactly above the ankle. And look at your right palm. Stay there. Stabilize yourself first. Continue breathing. And here what we will do is, we'll bend the upper half of our body to the right side and place our elbow on the knee, right elbow on the right knee, and take your left arm up. The left side of the body is in straight line, completely from the finger to the toe. You can see on the screen, it is a complete straight line, but listen to your body. If you feel it's difficult for you, please avoid it. Only those who feel who can do it, they just do it. Otherwise, you just avoid it. And breathing in, slowly come back to the Virabhadrasana again. And breathing out, come back to the center. Let's do it on the other side. Turn your left foot 90 degrees outward, right foot 10 to 15 degrees inward. Breathing in, take your arms up. Bend your left foot 90 degrees. Stabilize yourself. Your body is still in the center. Look at your left palm. Breathe in and then breathing out. Bend to the left side and place the left elbow on the left thigh. And take your right palm over the head. Body is in straight line from finger to your toe. Stay there. Continue breathing. Do not hold the breath. Breathing in, slowly come up. Please listen to the body. This posture might be challenging for someone. So those who feel, oh, it's difficult for me, don't do it, no problem. We can avoid half of the posture. Okay. Let's continue with the next posture. This was the Virabhadrasana 2. Let's do Virabhadrasana 1. For the 1, spread your leg once again. Turn your right foot 90 degrees outward. The left foot 10 to 15 degrees inward. And turn your body also to the right. Turn your body also to the right. Bend your right leg 90 degrees. And slowly take your arms up. And if possible, bend backwards a little bit. Feel your hips opening up, strengthening of your thighs and your legs. And breathing in, slowly come up. Breathing out, relax. Let's do it on the other side. Turn your left foot 90 degrees outward and your right foot 10 to 15 degrees inward. Turn your body to the left side now, like this. Okay. Once again, breathing in, take your arms up and bend your left leg 90 degrees and turn the upper half of your body to the back if you can, or you just keep straight. This is warrior pose 1. Slowly come up and relax. Do not overdo, listen to your body. Whatever you find difficult, please avoid it. Once again, stretch your leg on both the sides. Again, turn your right foot 90 degrees outward, left foot 10 to 15 degrees inward. Breathing in, take your arms up. This time we are not bending our legs will be straight. We'll be doing Trikonasana. Breathing out, slide the upper half of the body to the right side. Keep sliding, keep sliding. Once again, breathe in and then breathing out, bend to the right side and look at your left palm. Look at your left palm. Breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, relax. Let's do it on the other side. Left foot 90 degrees outward. The right foot 10 to 15 degrees inward. Breathing in, take your arms up. Breathing out, slide the upper half of the body to the left. And slowly go down. And look at your right palm. Breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, relax. Very good. Now let's come to the front of the mat. We'll be doing Surya Namaskar, one round slowly with one or two small variations in that. Okay. Breathe in and out. Namaste. Join your palms together in front of the chest. Breathing in, take your arms up. Stretch your arms over the head. Hips forward, head back. Stay there. Continue breathing. Breathing out, bend from your waist and slowly go down. And place the palms by the side of your feet. You may bend your knees to place the palms by the side of your feet. Once the palms are on the ground, breathing in, straighten your back. And breathing out, go closer to the knee. Stay there, continue breathing. Do not hold the breath. Breathe in and then breathing out, take your right leg back in Ashwatsanchalanasana. And stay here. We'll be doing a minor variation here. Just keep your right palm on the ground and raise up your left arm up and look at your left palm. Breathing out, relax the left palm. Once again, breathe in and then breathing out. Take the left leg back. Body is in straight line. In Dandasana, stick posture from head to the toe. Breathing out, place the knee on the ground and slide your chin forward to Ashtanga Namaskar. 8 parts of the body touching the ground. Your chin, chest, palms, knees and toes. Breathing in, Cobra. Breathing out, inverted V. Let's do a small variation here as well. Just stay here, touch your heels also to the ground. Bring your chest closer to the body. And now breathing in, lift up your right leg straight up. Balancing on the left leg. Listen to your body. Whoever feels is difficult, please avoid. We are adding some of the difficult stretches in the simpler one. Take your right leg down and breathing in, lift up your left leg this time. Stretch your left leg. Breathing out, relax. Now breathing in, take your right leg between the palms. Stay here and lift up your right palm, right arm up and look at your right palm. Breathing out, slowly bring your arms down. Breathe in and then breathing out. Bring the left leg between the palms. Breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out. Back to Namaste. This was the 12 postures on the right side. Let's complete the remaining half. Breathe in and out. Namaste. 1, 2, 3, 4 left. 4 left. Breathe in, hold the breath. Right leg back. Breathing out, knee, chest, chin on the ground. Breathing in, Cobra. Breathing out, inverted V. In, left leg between the palms. Breathing out, right leg. In, up and back. And breathing out, back to Namaste. Very good. Okay, now let's go to the imaginary chair pose and slowly sit down. Straighten your arms in front. Imagine there's a chair far behind you. Push your buttocks back and try to approach the chair. Reach to the chair, go down, go down, go down. Once the thighs are parallel to the ground, that is the point you hold. Keep smiling and slowly go down and sit down. Join your feet together. Bring it close to the body, as close as possible. Close to the body. Flap your legs. Flap it faster, faster, faster. And now let's do cradle pose here. Lift up your right leg and place it on your left elbow. With the help of the right arm, bring your right leg close to the body, keeping your back straight as possible. And let's move our body left and right by making a humming sound, making a baby sleep in the cradle. Kiss the baby and gently put it down. Let's do it with the other leg. Keeping your back straight, bring the leg closer to the body. And let's make a humming sound. Kiss the baby and gently put it down. Now let's lie down on our stomach. Lie down on the stomach. Palms by the side of your body. Now slowly bring both the palms below the shoulder. And breathing in, slowly come up in Cobra pose. Bhujangasana. Smiling cobras. Elbows are not like this. Elbows are close to the body, as close as possible. Stay there. Continue breathing. Roll your shoulder back. And breathing out, slowly go down. Stretch your arms over the head. Breathing in, lift up in Superman or a Superwoman posture. Lift the upper half of your body and your thigh and leg. Smiling Superman or a Superwoman. Fly high. Breathing out, relax. Let's take the palms back. Bend your knees, hold the ankle. Breathing in, lift up in Dhanurasana, the bow posture. Breathing out, relax. Let go. Gently flip over to your back. Let's do some lying down postures on the back. So we always pay attention to our abdominal region. So let's do cycling today. Spread your arms on both the side of the body. Bend your knees. Exactly 90-degree angle with your leg. Your hip and your knee is in line, and your knee and ankle is in one line. Okay, from here, let's start a small cycle. Give 1 foot circle cycle. 1 foot tire. Clockwise. Increase the size of the cycle. Make it 2 foot. Cycling clockwise. The biggest cycle. One leg straight, another leg close to the body. Reverse the cycle, opposite direction. Opposite direction. 2 feet, back to 2 feet. 1 foot. And relax. Gently place both the feet on the ground and palms by the side of the body. Palms facing the ground. We'll be doing the bridge posture. Both the feet are touching the ground and knees are pointing to the ceiling. Breathing in, lift up the waist region up in bridge posture. Stay there. Continue breathing. Do not hold the breath. Breathing out. Relax. Slowly go down. Straighten your leg. Now let's spread our arms on both the side of the body, perpendicular to the body, in line with the shoulder. Bend both the knees. The distance between both the feet is more than hip width apart. More than hip width apart. Breathing out. Just drop both the legs to the right side and then look at your left palm. Feel the nice spinal twist. Look at your left palm. Breathing in, come back to the center. And breathing out to the other side. Once again, breathing in, come back to the center. And breathing out to the right. Do it with a smile on your face. Enjoy each and every moment. Breathing in, come back to the center. And breathing out to the left. Once again, come back to the center and straighten your leg. Place the palms by the side of your feet. Let's do final relaxation by making a humming sound and shaking our whole body. Okay, shake your whole body, flap your toes, flap your arms, move your head left and right, move your whole body, and let's make a humming sound. Relax and let go. Relax. Gently bring the attention to your right foot. Right lower leg and knee. Right thigh and hip. Whole of your right leg. Gently bring your attention to the left foot. Left lower leg and knee. Left thigh and hip. Whole of your left leg. Genital region. Abdomen. Stomach near navel region. chest near the heart. Right shoulder, whole of your right arm, left shoulder, whole of your left arm, neck and shoulder region, face, forehead, top of the head, and whole body. Keep your attention to the whole body. Gently turn to your right side. Taking the support of your arms, slowly sit out. Now we will do a cooling breath, cooling pranayama. So today we will do Bhramari pranayama. So I hope everybody remembers the Bhramari. Index finger gently place on your ear lids like this. We'll be breathing in from the nose, and while breathing out, we'll make a humming sound. And when you're making a humming sound, just close open your ear lid so that the humming sound vibrates. And just feel that vibration in the whole body. And we will be doing it for 5 to 6 breaths. Okay. So let's begin. Take a normal breath in, breathe out. Breathe in for Bhramari. And relax. Feel the sensation inside the body. Your spine erect, body relax and loose. Continue sitting for few more minutes. Gently bring the attention to your whole body. Bring the attention to your breath. Breath is going in and out, keeping your body alive. Continue sitting with your eyes closed for 2 more minutes. Breathe in with a smile. And slowly breathe out with a smile on it. Become aware of your body and surroundings. You may slowly and gently open your eye. With this, we conclude the session for the day 6. Hope you all enjoyed. So whatever variations I have done today, if anybody has comment like it is too much, then please let me know. Otherwise, we can slowly add in some variations just to make it bit challenging. Okay. Otherwise, it becomes boring. Okay. So I'll see you all tomorrow at sharp 6:45 again. Bye bye.